Hello everybody, this is Minichandra Mandal, School Assistant English. Today I am going to cover an important topic, present progressive. Before going to progressive tense, I have already covered the structure and the application part of the present progressive tense. Today we are going to do some exercises on present progressive. Write the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Saron and Mike watch movie now. Here watch is the main verb here. Because the word now is there, the now indicates that the action is going on at the time of speaking. Therefore, this sentence must be in present progress. Here Saron and Mike is the plural subject. Therefore, for the plural subject we use are. Saron and Mike are watching now. Let us go through the second question. Mr. Talent says, in the bracket we find look a clock at this moment. You see, at this moment, the adverb of time indicates that the action is going on at the time of speaking. So the action which is going on at the time of speaking can be expressed in present progressive tense. So Mr. Talent, subject here, and because the subject is third person singular, in present progressive tense we use is, and the main verb look will be in looking. So Mr. Talent is looking a clock at this time or at this moment. Similarly, a tourist stared at an antique statue in the museum at the moment. Now look at the adverb words at the moment. This indicates that the action is going on at the time of speaking. Therefore, this sentence will be progressive tense. So, a tourist is the singular subject. So, for singular third person singular number, we use is. So, as tourist is, you stare is the main verb. We know very well that we use the ing form of the main verb. So, it is staring. So, a tourist is staring at an antique statue in the museum at the moment. Similarly, Mr. Tasteful dash cook fish for his guests in the kitchen at this time. Look at this word phrase at this time. Look at the adverb of time or the action is going on at the time of speaking. Therefore, Mr. Tasteful is the third person singular number. Therefore, we use Mr. Tasteful is cooking fish for his guests in the kitchen at this time. Well, Mr. Peak days read a novel now. So, Mr. Peak is the singular subject here, and the now indicate that the sentence should be in present progressive tense. So the structure of the present progressive tense is subject plus is or am or are plus V4 or V1 ing. So the Mr. Peak is reading a novel now. Let us do another exercise. Complete the sentences with the verbs given below. Here are some verbs. You can't talk to Janet now. She's in her bedroom. Here two persons are talking. They are talking about Janet, and Janet is doing something at the time of speaking there. Therefore, this sentence will be present progressive tense. So, she is the third person singular number, so you have to use each. So, each studying, or you can say rest is not there. If there is rest, you can say she is resting in her bedroom. Finally, look at the weather. It dash. Take your umbrella with you. Look at the weather means the weather, there is some changing in the weather at the time of speaking. And take your umbrella with you. Why to take the umbrella? Because it is going to rain. The weather is the indication of raining. That's why it is going to rain. So as this, take your umbrella with you. The children does a cartoon on TV now. Now either the word now itself, it makes the sentence a present progressive. The children, the plural subject. So the children are watching. Children are watching cartoon TV now. She danced to music and danced in her room at the moment. What you can say? She is listening. She is listening to music and studying in her room at the moment. See, this is at the moment indicates that this sentence will be in present progressive tense. Oh Mary, where does school or to the library? Oh Mary, where are you going? Where are you going? So going, go. Where are you going? Because oh Mary, where are you going? School or to the library? Means Mary, the action is going on at the present time of speaking here. Oh Mary means Mary is present at the time of speaking. Therefore, this indicates that this sentence will be in present progressive tense. This is double H question. What is there? No. So where are you going? School or library? Sita and Sneha taste samosa and taste lemon juice in the school canteen now. What do you do? Samosa. Smita and samosa plural form. The word now indicates that this sentence will be in present progressive tense. As Smita and Sneha are plural subject, what do you use? Are. So Smita and Sneha are. Samosa, what do you do? Samosa, eat. So Sita and Sneha are eating samosa and drinking. Drink is the what is the no? And drinking lemon juice. School canteen now. Finally, look. The sun days in the east. You say look means that something is going on at the present time of speaking. Somebody is with us. Say look. Here you can say the sun is rising in the east. But if it is a universal truth, when you say without look, the sun rises in the east. But if there is a word look, it means that the action is going on at the time of speaking. The sun is rising at the time of speaking. Therefore, look, sun is rising. Exercise, write questions. Next exercise is write questions in the present progressive using given the hints. What is all that noise? What's happening? The question, what is the matter? Your three words are given. Why you cry? Yes, frame interrogative sentence with the help of these hints. Why are you crying? Where is your mother? She worked today. Change it into interrogative sentence. Where is she working? I haven't seen you for ages. What are you doing these days? Amy is a student. What is studying? Who are those people? From an interrogative sentence. What are they doing? We are not in a hurry. Why are you walking so fast? So these are the things we framed with the help of present progressive. Thank you all for listening to this video. If you like this video, subscribe.